rice flakes milkshake or dates rice flakes milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the dates recipes and one of the most unique of the dates milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most unique of the flattened rice recipes. One of the most delicious of the milk recipes. We're going to make dates rice flakes milk smoothie. We've taken around 50 to 60 grams of dates from which the seeds have been removed, around 40 grams of sugar, around 60 to 80 grams of rice flakes or flattened rice. Put in the dates and the sugar and the rice flakes. Close and grind well. Open. Pour in around 300 ml of milk. Close and blend well. Now the dates rice flakes milk smoothie is ready. It can be poured into the glass. Milk smoothie into the glass. Final dates rice flakes milk smoothie or dates rice flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dates recipes and one of the most unique of the milkshake recipes and one of the most unique different of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dates milkshake recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.